In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circular progress bar in Google Sheets. If you're looking to visually track your task completion in a sleek and interactive way, you're in the right place. Stick around as we walk through creating a progress indicator that's both functional and pleasing to the eye. Let's start with the basics. First, I have created a simple task list that will be the foundation of our progress bar. This list includes tasks that can be checked off as completed, offering a clear view of your progress. To properly track the progress, I have also set up counters, which will be essential as we proceed. The task list contains a column of checkboxes that you'll check when each task is completed. Now, the heart of our progress bar kicks in with these counters. The counter for tasks completed utilizes the CountEF function. Essentially, this function counts the number of checked boxes in the range, categorizing them as true when a task is completed. Meanwhile, the pending counter deals with the unchecked boxes by counting them as false, representing the tasks you've yet to accomplish. This sets a solid groundwork for our visual indicator. Once you've sorted out the task list and both counters are in place, it's time to transform these numbers into a dynamic visual aid. Select all the relevant data, including your completed and pending array, and navigate to the Insert menu. Click on Chart to kickstart the visualization process. Upon opening the chart editor, you'll notice it defaults to a certain chart type. We're aiming to create a donut chart, so go ahead and change the chart type to donut chart. This choice is crucial as it allows us to illustrate our data in a circular form, mimicking a progress bar. Onward to customization. Click on the Customize tab within the chart editor. Begin by setting the legend to None. This step clears any redundant text from your chart, keeping the focus solely on your progress. Next, dive into the pie slice options. This is where you'll bring your progress circle to life. Set colors for your sections, perhaps green for the completed tasks and white for the pending ones. This color contrast will highlight how much you've accomplished versus what's left to do. Continuing with the customization for the donut chart, adjust the donut hole size to 75%. This adjustment refines the chart, giving the central area a bit more prominence. Lastly, feel free to choose a border color that suits your style for a final touch of personalization. And there we have it, a fully functional circular progress bar embedded right into your Google Sheets. Try checking any of the boxes on your task list and watch as the chart dynamically updates, accurately reflecting your progress. This visual method provides an at-a-glance understanding of your task status, keeping you motivated and organized. I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your tasks with ease and adds a touch of visual appeal to your spreadsheets.